All right, let's get right into it. We're about to break down one of the biggest, most high-stakes battles happening in the digital world right now. This is the new era of cyber threats, and it's being completely supercharged by artificial intelligence. I want to start with just one number, $25.6 million. Now, this wasn't some kind of elaborate bank heist you see in the movies or a crazy complex network breach. Nope, this was all stolen in a single, terrifyingly effective scam. So how did it happen? Get this. A finance employee at a huge global company hops on a video call. He sees his chief financial officer, other senior colleagues. They look right, they sound right, everything seems normal. But it wasn't them. It was all AI-generated deepfakes. This wasn't really a failure of technology. It was a total breach of human trust. And that story, wow, it perfectly sets the stage for our first big idea here. We're not just talking about attacks getting faster. We're talking about a fundamental change in deception itself. So, welcome to what everyone is now calling the AI arms race. The year 2025 really was the moment this whole thing went mainstream. You've got attackers on one side, defenders on the other, and both are using AI in this constant, escalating game of cat and mouse. Let's start by looking at the first side of this conflict, how cybercriminals are weaponizing AI with, frankly, terrifying speed and sophistication. And at the absolute heart of this new toolkit is the deepfake. I mean, it's AI-generated media that can perfectly clone a person's face, their voice, you name it, and create a video or an audio clip that looks and sounds real, but is completely fake. This is the tech that made that $25.6 million scam even possible. And this slide just shows the evolution perfectly. You know, we've all seen those clumsy phishing emails, right? The ones with the weird grammar and the dear sir or madam greeting. Well, those days are pretty much over. AI now crafts these flawless, hyper-personalized messages. It can scrape your social media, reference real projects you're working on, and even mimic the writing style of your boss. And just think about the sheer speed and scale of this. What used to take a team of human experts, say 16 hours to build, a whole phishing campaign, can now be whipped up by AI in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes! This lets attackers launch thousands of unique, tailored attacks almost instantly. And the results are, well, they're staggering. One analysis found a 1,265% surge in phishing attacks that were directly linked to the use of AI. This isn't some small uptick, it's a full-blown explosion. But the threat goes way beyond just deception. Attackers are also using AI to create something called polymorphic malware. This is malicious code that literally rewrites itself, constantly changing its own signature to stay hidden. Some of these can morph every 15 seconds, making them almost invisible to traditional antivirus tools that are just looking for known threats. Okay, so that's the offense. Pretty scary. But now let's flip to the other side of the battlefield. How are the defenders fighting back? Well, they're fighting AI with AI. And this slide really nails the huge strategic shift. See, old defenses were always reactive. They were always looking for bad guys they already knew about. But modern AI defense, it's proactive. It spends its time learning the unique digital heartbeat of an organization, what normal activity actually looks like, and then it just hunts for anything that deviates from that baseline. So here's the breakdown of how it works. The AI basically creates a profile of what's normal for every single user, every single device. Then it can flag these tiny, subtle anomalies, like, say, an employee suddenly accessing files at 3 a.m. from a totally new country. Things a human would probably miss. This behavior-based approach is just incredibly good at catching brand new attacks, with some systems hitting detection rates as high as 98%. AI also makes the response incredibly fast. So instead of a human analyst drowning in thousands of little alerts, the AI system pulls them all together into one single high-priority problem. Then, bam, it automatically quarantines an infected machine from the network in seconds. This stops the threat dead in its tracks. And only then does it alert a human analyst to a confirmed real problem. And for those human analysts, AI is now becoming a kind of co-pilot. They can literally ask the system questions in plain English like, hey, show me all the weird database activity from last night, and get an immediate, easy-to-understand answer. This just massively speeds up investigations and acts as a huge force multiplier for security teams. Okay, but this arms race isn't just for giant corporations. It absolutely affects every single one of us. So let's talk about what you can actually do to protect yourself in this wild new landscape. And I want you to really ask yourself this. If you got a frantic call and it was the voice of a loved one in trouble, asking for money, would you be 100% certain it was real? What about that urgent video call from your boss asking for a quick wire transfer? The line between real and fake is getting blurrier every single day. So here are 3 really critical habits to start using right now. First, validate callers. If you get an unexpected high-pressure request, just hang up, seriously. Then call them back on a number you know is legit. Second, create a family safe word. It's a secret word only you guys know to prove it's really them in an emergency. And third, the old classic still works. Hover your mouse over a link to see the real destination before you ever click. And of course, you've got to strengthen your digital basics. Scammers use all that info you post on social media to personalize their attacks, so maybe limit what you share publicly. Use strong, unique passwords for every single account. I know it's a pain, but do it. And please, enable two-factor authentication everywhere you possibly can. It is one of the single most powerful defenses you have. All right, let's move to our final section and see how all of this builds toward the future of cybersecurity. This quote from an industry analysis really just says it all. AI isn't just another tool in the toolbox. It has become the central engine that's driving the entire field forward. This isn't some passing trend. This is the new reality. And this image right here, it captures the new dynamic perfectly. Cybersecurity is now this continuous, never-ending loop. AI-powered offense meets AI-powered defense. As soon as the good guys develop a new shield, the bad guys use AI to find a way around it. There is no finish line in this race. Which brings us to our final big question. We've seen how AI has become the weapon of choice for everybody, attackers and defenders alike. But in a world full of deepfakes and automated attacks, where the real goal is to manipulate human trust, who or what is actually the final line of defense?